Lesson 1. Greetings. Hello. Good morning. How are you doing? Not bad. What's up? It's nice to meet you. It's nice to see you again. I'm surprised to see you here. Long time no see. How have you been? Hi there. How are things with you? What's going on with you? What are you doing here? Hey. Dialogue 1. Good morning.
Good morning to you, too. Do you think it will rain today?
Yeah, maybe. It's hard to tell.
I hope not. I am going to the beach this afternoon.
Maybe you should check the weather forecast first.
Good idea. I think I will.
Well, I hope you have a good afternoon.
You too, Frank.
Dialogue 2. Hello.
Hello, Bill.
How are you doing?
Not bad. Work is going well.
Oh, is it? That's good to hear.
What about you?
I'm doing okay, although my car is in the shop.
Oh, really? That's too bad.
Dialogue 3.
Hi, Ralph.
Oh, hey, Mark. Did you have a good time hiking today?
Yes, although it was a bit hot.
That is why I stayed inside.
What did you do?
I read a book. Dialogue 4. What's up, Andrew?
Not much. Not much at all.
Are you hungry?
A little bit. Do you want to eat?
Yes. Let's go find something to eat.
That sounds good to me.
Dialogue 5.
Good afternoon. Is Dr. Colbin?
Yes, but he is busy. Do you mind waiting?
I don't mind. Do you think he will be a while?
He shouldn't be long.
Oh, good. I'll wait.
Just take a seat over there. He should see you shortly. Substitution drills. 1. Do you think it will rain today? Do you think it will rain tomorrow? Do you think it will rain tonight? Do you think it will rain this afternoon? 2. Hello, Bill. Good afternoon, Bill. Good morning, Bill. Good evening, Bill. 3. Did you have a good time hiking today? Did you have a good time reading today? Did you have a good time walking today? Did you have a good time swimming today? 4. Is Dr. Kolb in? Is Dr. Kolb available? Is Dr. Kolb here? Is Dr. Kolb around? 5. It's hard to tell. It's tough to tell. It's difficult to tell. It's not easy to tell. 6. Oh, hey, Mark. Oh, hi, Mark. Oh, hello, Mark. Oh, good morning, Mark. 7. Yes, although it was a bit hot. Yes, although it was a bit cold. Yes, although it was a bit wet. Yes, although it was a bit cloudy. 8. I read a book. I read a magazine. I read a story. I read a poem. 9. I am going to the beach this afternoon. I am going to the park this afternoon. I am going to the library this afternoon. I am going to the store this afternoon. 10. That is why I stayed inside. That is why I stayed indoors. That is why I stayed in the shade. That is why I stayed in. 11. How are you doing? How are things? How are you feeling? How are you? 12. It's hard to tell. It's hard to know. It's hard to say. It's hard to be sure. 13. I'm doing okay, although my car is in the shop. I'm doing well, although my car is in the shop. I'm doing good, although my car is in the shop. I'm doing fine, although my car is in the shop. 14. I'm doing okay, although my car is in the shop. I'm doing okay, although my bike is in the shop. I'm doing okay, although my boat is in the shop. I'm doing okay, although my guitar is in the shop. 15. Maybe you should check the weather forecast first. Maybe you should watch the weather forecast first. Maybe you should listen to the weather forecast first. Maybe you should see the weather forecast first. Monologue. Bill was not having a good day because his car was in the shop. A shop can mean a store, but it originally meant a place to make or repair things. In that sense, Bill means his car is being repaired. It can be difficult to not have a car in America for many people. In large cities, it is not so important to have a car. In cities, public transportation, such as buses, is available for people to use. In fact, many city people prefer not to have a car. Outside the city, though, having a car is often necessary for many jobs and routine tasks. Buying food, going to the library, or seeing friends are often difficult to do without a car. Automobiles are an important part of American life. Lesson 2. Introductions. Hi, I'm Marvin. Hi, I'm Marvin. My name is Robert. My name is Robert. You can call me Beth. You can call me Beth. Are you Tina? Are you Tina? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Meet my friend. Meet my friend. This is my brother, Thomas. This is my brother, Thomas. Come say hi to my parents. Come say hi to my parents. Have you met my sister? Have you met my sister? Have we met before? Have we met before? Do I know you? Do I know you? I'm new around here. I'm new around here. Let me introduce myself. Let me introduce myself. Do I know you? Do I know you? I'd like to introduce you to my boss. I'd like to introduce you to my boss. Dialogue 1. Hi, I'm Marvin.
Marvin, my name is Robert.
I'm here to play baseball.
Good. We need more people to play.
I'm not very good.
That doesn't matter. We're just here for fun.
Dialogue 2.
I'm Amy, and you are?
My name is Elizabeth. You can call me Beth.
Oh, that is my mother's name.
Really? I'm named after my grandmother.
Actually, Amy is not my real name. It's Amanda.
Why do you go by Amy?
I don't know. Ever since I was young, that is what people have called me.
That's interesting. Dialogue 3. Good morning. I'm looking for Dr. Kolb's office.
I'm Dr. Kolb. How can I help you?
I'm Dave Fowler. My stomach has been hurting.
Is it an emergency?
Oh no, it's not that bad. I just need to make an appointment.
Please talk to my secretary over there.
Thank you, doctor. I will.
I'll see you soon.
Dialogue 4. Hello, I'm Hugh. What can I do for you?
Yes, I'm Bill Paxton. I left my car here last week. Is it repaired?
Yes, sir, it is, Mr. Paxton. Can you sign your name here?
No problem.
Okay, it's around back. I will bring it up front.
Thanks. What's the damage?
To the car?
No, I mean, what is the cost?
I'll have to check with the mechanic.
I'll be right here.
Dialogue 5. Hi there. Are you Tina?
Yes, I am. How did you know my name?
I'm friends with your roommate, Bob.
Oh, I didn't catch your name.
Yeah, I'm sorry. My name is Tony.
Pleased to meet you, Tony.
Same here. Substitution drills. 1. My name is Robert. My name is Sarah. My name is Henry. My name is Ramon. 2. I just need to make an appointment. I just need to set up an appointment. I just need to schedule an appointment. I just need to arrange an appointment. 3. Good. We need more people to play. Good. We need more guys to play. Good. We need more women to play. Good. We need more persons to play. 4. Good. We need more people to play. Great. We need more people to play. Excellent. We need more people to play. Awesome. We need more people to play. 5. We're just here for fun. We're just here for pleasure. We're just here for enjoyment. We're just here for recreation. 6. I'm not very good. I'm not very skillful. I'm not very talented. I'm not very experienced. 7. Oh, that is my mother's name. Oh, that is my aunt's name. Oh, that is my sister's name. Oh, that is my grandmother's name. 8. Ever since I was young, that is what people have called me. Ever since I was little, that is what people have called me. Ever since I was small, that is what people have called me. Ever since I was a child, that is what people have called me. 9. Is it an emergency? Is it urgent? Is it serious? Is it critical? 10. Oh, I didn't catch your name. Oh, I didn't get your name. Oh, I didn't hear your name. Oh, I didn't recognize your name. 11. I'm friends with Bob, your roommate. I'm friends with Bob, your boss. I'm friends with Bob, your boyfriend. I'm friends with Bob, your brother. 12. My stomach has been hurting. My chest has been hurting. My arm has been hurting. My head has been hurting. 13. No, I mean, what is the cost? No, I mean, what is the expense? No, I mean, what is the price? No, I mean, what is the total? 14. I'm here to play baseball. I'm here to play basketball. I'm here to play football. I'm here to play soccer. 15. I'll see you soon. I'll see you later. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you next week. Monologue. Sports are very popular for Americans to play and to watch. Americans of all ages enjoy a variety of sports. Some were created in America. Baseball, for example, is considered the traditional American sport. Basketball may be even more popular. Both sports are becoming popular in other countries. Other sports come from outside America. Hockey is popular in the Northeast, but was created in Canada. Soccer is the American name for what the rest of the world calls football. What Americans call football is a very different kind of game. It is rough and often involves injuries. Many Americans take sports very seriously and enjoy competing with each other. Some think winning is important, but others think it is more important to just have fun.